Well, out of the State House tonight, tensions are high as lawmakers heard testimony about a new bill to establish a Parents' Bill of Rights. The controversial plan would require schools to make all instructional materials available to parents online. Fox 43 News reporter James Ryan is at the State House with more on what the bill will do.
The bill would require school districts to create an online portal. Here, parents would be able to review curriculum and instructional materials that are given to their child. The bill also says that parents have the right to object to any material or activity that they deem could be harmful to their child. Proponents of the bill, like the Kansas Policy Institute, say the bill would ensure that parents have access to the materials that are being taught to their children, something they say is a key right of parents.
They look upon the public schools and trust the public schools are going to do the right thing. But as President Reagan once famously said, trust but verify.
We're talking about arming parents. There is nothing about that phrase that makes being a teacher feel welcomed and trusted.
Opponents of the bill, like the 2018 Kansas Teacher of the Year, say this is unnecessary. The parents already have more access to learning materials than they ever have before, and if the bill is passed, it will drive away good teachers. Now, there's still confusion surrounding the bill, including language related to the Civil Rights Act of 1964 that lawmakers wanted clarification on. The committee chairperson also clarified that June 30th would be the deadline for materials from the previous school year and not materials for the upcoming school year. In downtown Topeka, James Ryan, Fox 43 News.